All right, guys. So I know you guys have not received an update in the longest while, and that's because, yep, unfortunately, I was diagnosed COVID-19 positive. So, you know, that means not much work going on in the house because I'm not there, and all of that. But we were doing some stuff. We did put some plates in on the windows right there, right around the windows, right around the windows. And we're sort of completing the whole thing. All right, so something new here. So we use paint on this side of the wall. Reason being is that we needed a blank wall in the room, so we need to make this wall sort of blank so you can put stuff like a television set, television can go on there, and stuff can hang on the wall. So we needed a blank wall, so that's why I decided to paint this right here in a similar color that matches this over here. Yep. So yeah, this is where we are. So the next thing we're going to be doing is that we're going to be varnishing this entire wall over again. We're going to re-varnish this entire wall. So it's going to become, it's a bit dusty right now. So we're going to wipe down all of that. Varnish this side also. It's a bit dusty. And yeah. This is the drywall that we're getting ready to put the drywall into. The ceiling here. Yeah, we're getting ready to put the drywall to the ceiling. Yeah. As I said, guys, I have been sick, still sick. I know it's been a while since we've posted anything at all. And I know a lot of you must be wondering, where is he? Why aren't they posting any updates? But yeah, COVID-19 knocked me down. I mean, I'm smiling, but I didn't get it too bad, you know. So I'm okay. I'm okay. Recovering. In another 3 or so days, I should be good.